My name is Enayet Ali, and we are a UK-based company. We manufacture and import children's clothing. The show's been very good. We've had a good reaction from our clients. It's our first time, and we would definitely recommend other exhibitors to come here. It's quite a large exhibition, and experience has been quite good so far. Yeah, we've had quite a few inquiries from the Middle East, Russia. Very good connections with companies from Kuwait and mostly Middle East. We've also met a few Turkish companies who've been interested as well, which is quite good. We have a few orders. The customers they've liked our product, and they have shown interest. Yeah. Generally, it's been a busy show. It's been quite good. Yeah, I would recommend other companies to participate. It's a very good show. CBME Turkey is the heart of trade.